Welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be talking about how to verify your identity with Fidelity Investments. Fidelity takes identity verification very seriously to protect your assets and comply with financial regulations. The process is usually automatic, but sometimes you may need to provide additional information. When you open an account online, Fidelity will typically ask for personal details like your full name, date of birth, physical address, and social security number. This information is used to run an automated check against public records to confirm your identity. In some cases, if the automatic verification fails, Fidelity's Customer Identification Program team may request further documentation. This can happen for various reasons, such as if you have recently moved or changed your name. If this occurs, you may be asked to provide documents like a government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport, and proof of residence, like a utility bill or bank statement. You can often upload these documents through the Fidelity Secure Message Center. If you have any issues or questions during the process, you can also visit a local Fidelity Investor Center or contact their customer service for assistance. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.